What's up, everybody? It's Tiffany Stone here at Unlimited Off-Road, and I am here with
Chris Gauss with Rancho Suspension. How you doing today?
So I got some different things put on today. I know that you've been seeing the front bumper from Crawltech. Well, we changed some things up, and I got a rear bumper, and then Chris hooked me up. Chris, what do we get today?
We got a set of rear shock glide plates, and then an also differential glide plate, and upgraded her exhaust from the axle back to the rock crawler system. So we're looking forward to a nice aggressive sound out of this thing when we fire it up today, Tiffany.
I am so excited, and KOH is in about 2 weeks away. So if you see my bright red Jeep and you want to hear that exhaust, come hit me up. I will make sure that you guys can hear it. But check this stuff out right here. Look at that bumper. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness, red on red on red on red on red. So stay tuned. We're going to fire this baby up soon. Oh, we're doing it now. Look at this thing. Oh, Chris didn't tell me we were doing it now. Yeah! So excited. So stay tuned. T-Stone approved.